Welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 3 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x plus 27 to the power of x is equal to 14, and we will solve this problem for the value of x. So the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I can write it as this equation as 3 to the power of x plus, here you have 9 and we write it as 3 square to the power of x, and here you have 27 and we write 3 cubed to the power of x is equal to 14. After that I can use here the nice exponential law in order to solve this problem. The exponential law will be written in the form of, if you have a to the power of m to the power of n, so here I can just interchange these two exponents and you get a to the power of n to the power of m, and these two expressions are equals to a to the power of m times of n. So now I can use here this exponent law, and here I can just interchange the exponents of these two terms so that we get the output in the form of 3 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x and its square plus 3 to the power of x and its cubed is equal to 14. And so in the next step we will take here y is equal to 3 to the power of x. So when you put y is equal to 3 to the power of x, this exponential equation will becomes in the polynomial form or a cubic form, so that this will be written as y plus y square plus y cube is equal to 14. So now we rearrange the terms and we get y cubed plus y square plus y, and we move this 14 in the left hand side and you get minus 14 is equal to 0. And now we rearrange the terms in order to find or in order to make the factors of this term. So here I can write y cube plus, here you have y square, and we will need to write this y square as minus 2y square plus 3y square, because here plus y square we write minus 2y square plus 3y square will be equal to plus y square. Similarly here you have plus y and we write it as minus 6y plus 7y. Minus 6y plus 7y is equal to plus y, and here you have minus 14 is equal to 0. And now we make the factors of the equation by taking common. So here we take common someone here, we take common some value here, and we take common some value here in order to make the factor of this equation. So in the first two terms we take common y square and we get y minus 2. Similarly in the second terms we take common 3y and we get y minus 2, and in the last terms we take common plus 7 and we get y minus 2 is equal to 0. And now you focus on each term and we will take common y minus 2 because it will be occur in each term. So we take common y minus 2 and we get y minus 2 times of y square plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. And now we have two cases. The first case is we take y minus 2 is equal to 0, and the other case is we take y square plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So in the first case you get y is equal to 2, and in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. And here because here we need only real roots and we will solve this problem for real roots only, so that first I will check this quadratic equation has real roots or complex roots by using the discriminant formula. So that here you have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 7. So you know about the discriminant formula, which is delta is equal to b square minus 4 times of ac. So here you need something about you need to understand something about this delta or discriminant. So if this delta is less than 0 or less than 1, if this delta gives the answer less than 1, then we will say that this quadratic equation has no real root. And if this delta is greater than 1, then we can say that this quadratic equation has two real roots. And if this is equal to 1, or if you can say that it is less than 0, then it has no real roots. If it is greater than 0, then it has two real roots, and if it is equal to 0, then it has only one real root. So now we check the behavior of this delta by putting the values of a, b, and c in this here, and you get delta is equal to b square. The value of b is 3, so it is 9 minus 4 times of a and c. The value of a is 1 and the value of c is 7, so 4 times of 7 is 28, and 9 minus 28 is equal to minus 19. So here you see that this is less than 0, and if our delta is less than 0, then we can say that it has no real root. So this quadratic equation has no real roots, or it has complex roots, so we will reject these roots because here we need real roots only. So now we proceed here this case only, because in this case you have y is equal to 2, and in the start of the question we take this y as 3 to the power of x is equal to 2. So now here you get the value of x by using the natural log on both of the sides. So when you take log on both of the sides, you get 3 to the power of x is equal to log of 2. And now we use the property of log, and you just this exponent will become in the front of this log, and you write x times of log 3 is equal to log of 2. And now we move this log 3 into the right hand side, and you get log 2 over log 3. And now you can use the calculator in order to find the value of log 2 and log 3, and the value of log 2 is like in the form of 0.3010, and the value of log 3 is 0.4771. and now we divide these two terms, and you get the value is 0.6308. so this is the value of x. And now in order to check this value satisfies the given equation or not, so here you have in order to check, you have the given question statement is 3 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x plus 27 to the power of x is equal to 14. And now we put just this the value of x here, and you get 3 to the power of 0.6308 plus 9 to the power of 0.6308 plus 27 to the power of 0.6308 is equal to 14. And you can use the calculator in order to find these all values. So when you open this value, or you find this value, you get 1.99. when you get this value, you find 3.99, and here you get 7.99. so this is approximately equals to 14. and the right hand side is equal to left hand side. So this is the our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.